Hello again from Paphos, and I'm showing you another beach here right next to the Coral Bay. And actually the beach is on the other side, as you have seen earlier, but there were lots of people on that side, so I chose it and opted for this instead. That's a bit less pretty, but it will do the trick. And this is, part of the so-called Coral Bay area, but very close to the actual Coral Bay beach. And this one, if I believe, it was called Laourou. Yes, and you can see there are many people along the beach in the sandy part. Not so many people on this side of the beach. So yeah, I'm in Paphos and exploring, and this is yet another beach adventure from Paphos. So follow me as we explore the coast here and this beach that's probably popular in summer, but now most of the people are towards the end of the beach. At this part where it begins, there is nobody, because I see now there are stones here at after the entrance. So first at the entrance it's sand, and then it is stones. But yeah, I can say that I'm not super surprised from the beaches in Paphos if I compare them to Ayia Napa. Ayia Napa are much better with the actual white sand. Here there are not so many sandy beaches, and those that are actually with yellow sand. So I would recommend, if you opt for more vacation, go to Ayia Napa. And if you like to explore more historical stuff, Paphos has a lot, and it's more lively city, and it's bigger than Ayia Napa, of course. So yeah, what an adventure today. I started off at the center of Paphos, at the beach Soda, I think it was called. Then I explored Coral Bay, and then I also went for a shipwreck exploring at the Edro 3, the shipwreck that's 3.5 kilometers away from here. So check out the coast here, how it looks like in Paphos, and let's then dive in for yet another beach adventure. Let's go! The sea is the sea. It's still beautiful and nice. So yes, then that's a wrap up from this beach, if I'm not completely mistaken, called Laourou, and it is actually where the last bus stop is on the bus 615. It will take you from the center to the Coral Bay. This is part of the Coral Bay, but the Coral Bay beach is just a few hundred meters away in that direction. Cool! Thanks a lot for watching then, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!